Hi there, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can check transactions on Roblox. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining. And the first thing that you will do is go to your Robux icon, which is right here on the top right. And then you will have to click my transactions. And now that you're here, you will be able to check every transaction that you've done in Roblox. So for summary, it has the list uh of all the transactions that you have. So basically your pending Robux, your commissions, community payouts, and so on. And here you can see your commissions as well, your currency purchases, the Robux that you've bought from Roblox, and your creator rewards, daily engagement, and all that stuffs. Community payouts, the Robux that you've given to other people from your group, and premium stipends, basically the Robux that you've gotten from your premium purchase. And purchases, the things that you've bought, basically, and sales of good, the the sales of the things or the clothes that people bought from you. So yeah, that's basically just it, and I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.